Baby, it's cold outside. We're down in the mid-upper 20s, northern Kentucky into the bluegrass, with folks hovering a little closer to freezing into our southern counties. But no rain, no snow, no winter weather, no precipitation. Zip, it's dry out there this morning. That will not be the case later on tonight into tomorrow morning. So essentially, we've got a little bit of a break underway. Enjoy it while you can, because we do have more active weather potentially tracking our way. So yeah, the Max Track Live Doppler at the moment is in the clear, and as we expand the view, you just don't see much out there. We do have precipitation gathering down south, but overall the possibility there for any kind of active weather is just not in the cards. Now, if we roll our way up to the Great Lakes, we do have lake effect snow flying. Look at those bands coming off the lakes there. Northern Michigan, the UP, and also out towards Buffalo as you head east. And there is rain gathering south. This is all part of a forming system that is going to really put it to the east coast and give us some issues as well back through the Mississippi River Valley. Lexington snow stats. We did finally get our first measurable snowfall this season early. We usually average that in late November. Of course, we're mid-November. We did pick up 1/10 of an inch of snow, and it was that light slushy stuff that was mainly stuck to the grass and elevated surfaces. And we generally had wet roads yesterday morning. Tomorrow morning we'll have wet roads, but there's also a concern for the potential for some light icing. So we do have a winter weather advisory in effect. That runs back into western Kentucky. They did have a winter storm watch up, and they backed off that, but they've still got a winter storm warning in effect, southern Illinois. This is where the bullseye of really heavy snow, possibly a half a foot or more, could be east of St. Louis into south central Illinois. Here, it's going to be a more complicated situation. It's not going to be straight snow. In fact, very little snow. What we will see at the leading edge, and this is the concern here, the possibility of some, well, icing. Yeah, that's never a good thing. The possibility there, when you get that pink color showing up, that's light freezing rain and the chance for maybe some icy driving conditions. Now, we've got some limiting factors there. We do have the possibility of, slightly warm ground temperatures kind of negating the possibility of accumulation on the roads there. Bridges and overpasses would be the bigger concern. And then tomorrow, as temperatures warm above freezing, we'll go over to cold rain. But there is the potential there that early in the morning hours, this is a potential ice accumulation focus there right around the bluegrass in northern Kentucky. We may have 1/10 of an inch or 1/4 of an inch on the high end. So the big concern here obviously would be some slick driving conditions into tomorrow morning. So plan accordingly. If you got to drive anywhere tomorrow morning, this could be an issue for us. Mostly cloudy and cold, isolated snow showers late in the day today. As that moisture tracks north, though, will elevate the threat index likely to a 1. Due to that possibility of some nasty driving conditions early in the morning. And it should go over to cold rain with highs around 40, so late morning into the afternoon the threat will subside. May wrap it up as a few snow showers on the back end. The good news beyond that, we are looking great through the weekend. Not exactly mild, temperatures still chilly, 40s and 50s, but dry Friday, hopefully all the way through the middle of next week.